Yo, what's going on, everybody? This is your trading update for June 17th. As we take a look at the market right here, we basically went into consolidation at the end of the day. But the key thing to note is that if you take a look at the 5-day chart, the key thing to note here is that we're back over that 194.5 level. That we sort of kept bouncing from and then just sort of tanked through it, and it was obviously a complete fake out as the markets are still very bullish. So we're over that level, and chances of us going back towards those all-time highs, which is around 196, 195 and change, are pretty good. Now, another thing to keep in mind, though, is that we have the FOMC coming out tomorrow. Okay, this is a big deal. Tomorrow morning into the minutes should probably be pretty choppy. So you want to make sure you sit on your hands and don't get too aggressive in directionals, especially holding through the minutes. That can get pretty complicated, pretty risky as well. Some things that they were buying up into the minutes. If you take a look at the financials, money definitely started coming back into the financials. Well, Bank of America posted a big day. Goldman Sachs was pretty strong throughout the session. Some of the big money, though, today was in the Netflix breakout. As you guys know, I've been shorting this thing and getting absolutely smoked. She gapped up and then put in a giant move off the open. The ironic thing is, though, is that unless you were in this position overnight, chances are you got in a little bit late to the party and then there wasn't much on the table. We're going to take a look at one of these options charts real quick so you can see how much money. Okay, so right here we're taking a look at a chart of the 440 call in Netflix. This is a weekly option that expires on June 21st. As you can see, with the gap up, she opened up significantly here, and the spike up happened extremely quick. So you're talking about a $4 option that shot up to 12 bucks in about 10 minutes. All right. Oftentimes, these are the kind of moves that we see where most of the juice happens either off the open or overnight. It's unfortunate for a lot of the day traders out there because you have such a small window of time to capitalize on this opportunity, but that opportunity is still there if you know what to do with it. All right, folks, so we'll see you tomorrow for our pre-market update. Make sure you guys hit us up on Twitter at Lucci.